Hey everybody, welcome back. Right, there's the old Boston Whaler project. Been working on a lot of stuff lately. I got a real simple solar project coming up in the near future. I'm just waiting on some parts to be shipped to me, but I got a quick one for you. We did a little mod, just a real simple mod on the Toyota Tacoma. I guess it's a mod if you want to call it that, but got some really nice floor mats we wanted to check out. So just a quick review, little product review. So we're trying to hit that 10,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you subscribe, check us out, leave comments down below. Good comments, bad comments, I don't care. Check out the review. Today, we're gonna take a look at the 3W TPE floor mats. These are for our 2020 Toyota Tacoma. 3W makes these for all different makes and models of vehicles. Laser scanned floor mats, TPE material, that's thermoplastic elastomer, but just your basic flexible rubber floor mats. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. We're gonna install them, kind of talk about the benefits of having these thermoplastic floor mats, right? They sent me these to bring you guys an up close look, right? Install them on my vehicle, do a little quality check on them, see if they are what they say they are. You can see here how they come packaged, right? We have, of course, that's the back, right? They look real nice. If we get in real close here, right? Nice flexible material, right? They're not hard plastic. They're really firm, thick rubber. You can see how thick that is, right? Right? When you get them, you might want to lay them out in the sun just a little bit to soften them up. We'll add that right there. But once they spend a little time in the vehicle on a warm day, they're just gonna mold right to the floor, right? You see here, right? Laser scan, the details on this, the little dips, crevices, made especially for your vehicle. All different makes, models. We have our little locking holes here. We'll show you that. Looks like we even got some sort of little adapter plates. All right, a little bit of information cards here. Oh, that looks like a little air freshener. Huh, pretty cool. Jasmine scent. We got a couple of air fresheners there. User manual, self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and put these things in the vehicle. First thing we need to do, we need to remove the old floor mats, right? We got the little clips here. One of the disadvantages, which they have many, but of the stock floor mats is they don't cover over the edges. They don't run up the side. So all these edges here, I don't care how much you vacuum it, you're gonna have dirt, right? You're gonna have all that buildup around the edges. You can see all the dust coming out of this, right? We'll remove that. Check this out, right? You can shake this and shake this, right? Just so much, I mean, it's endless. It never stops. With the TPE mats, you can see here, right? Custom fit, right? These 3W mats. Look how nice that fits. This molded edge, right? You don't have that stuff like dripping down onto the carpet here. Covers your little floor, footrest here, all the nooks and crannies, right? Once this heats up, it's just gonna settle right down. We have the edge here, right? Comes up on the edge with a little turned lip on that. That turned lip like hugs in nice and tight on this carpeted edge, right? We have our locking holes, right? Let's go ahead and put the rest of these in. We'll take a look at them, make sure the back fits. We're over here on the passenger side now, right? Same thing, you got this turned up edge on this side. Everything fits nice and snug. You have the edge over the door jamb, right? Once this thing heats up, it's just gonna kind of settle right into place perfectly. Got your little lockers right here, line up perfectly. Let's look in the back seat. The back floor mats on this, they go from door to door. They cover the center hump, right? Your stock floor mats do not even cover that center hump. It's always getting dirty. And look how tight everything fits. We come over here and we look, it just slips in right underneath the seat belt. Snug all the way around. You can tell this was sized up with the laser. Always check down in the description down below. We got product links. You can purchase this through the product link. helps out the channel. I get a little commission, doesn't cost you a dime. The 3W TPE floor mats, awesome. You can pull them out, hose them off. You don't have to worry about them collecting dirt. They look great, and it's just a great addition for our Tacoma. They'll definitely work for your vehicle. So from Stonebrook Adventure, until next time, bloop.